The Radioplane XKD4R, known by the company designation RP-70, was an American target drone developed by the Radioplane Division of the Northrop Corporation. Although it was not produced in quantity, it was developed into the successful ACM-38. Design and development. The XKD4R was an air-launched target drone powered by a single Aerojet solid-fuel rocket engine which exhausted through nozzles located at the trailing edges of the wing. Constructed largely of molded plastic, it utilized an unconventional control configuration consisting of 3 canard control fins located forwards, one on top of and one on either side of the fuselage, and fixed horizontal fins at the rear. An autopilot controlled the drone after launch. At the end of an approximately 9-minute flight, a parachute was deployed for recovery. Operational history. Conducting its first flight in January 1958, the XKD4R-1 was tested extensively by the United States Navy, launches usually being conducted from McDonnell F-3H Demon fighters. Although satisfactory, the RP-70 was not produced. Instead, the improved RP-76 was developed, flying in 1959 and being produced for both the U.S. Air Force and Navy, becoming the ACM-38 in 1962. Specifications: XKD4R-1. Data from partial general characteristics. Crew: none. Length: 9 feet 6 in, 2.90 meters. Wingspan: 5 feet, 1.5 meters. Gross weight: 305 pounds, 138 kilograms. Power plant: 1 times Aerojet 530 NS-35 solid fuel rocket, 37 lbf, 0.16 kN, thrust burn time 530 sec. Performance. Maximum speed, Mach 0.95. Endurance, 9 minutes. Service ceiling, 60,000 feet, 18,000 meters. See also. Related development. Northrop ACM-38 aircraft of comparable role, configuration, and era. Temco XKD-TTL. Related lists. List of unmanned aerial vehicles. References. Citations. Bibliography. Fahey, James Charles, 1958. The Ships and Aircraft of the U.S. Fleet, 7th ed. Washington, D.C. Ships and Aircraft Publishers. Asinbi 000XG6YU6. Parsh, Andreas, 2003. Radioplane KD4R. Directory of U.S. Military Rockets and Missiles Appendix 1, Early Missiles and Drones. Designation Systems.net. Retrieved 2011 01-28.